Now look at this. In this question, they are asking us to find the prime factors of the given numbers using this prime factorization method. The question is find the prime factors of the following numbers by using the prime factorization method. In that one, first question number A is 42. So in this 42, we have to write it in the prime factorization division column, and then we have to find the prime factors. So because of that, first I will take this 42 and I will write it leaving the space between the digits. Then take the pencil and scale, draw the straight line like this. This is known as division columns of prime factors. And this method is known as prime factorization method. The number 42 we have already know it is an even number. It is divisible by 2. We will take a 2. 2 how many times 42 we have to do it. And then once we do it, we have to divide this 42 by 2. 42 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 21s is 42. We got it. And next, this 21 is the odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So it is divisible by next
3 sevens are
3. We will take 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 is the prime number. It is not divisible by any number. So we will take 7 only. And then we will write. So this is the final answer for us. Since we will write prime factors of 42 is equals to factors of 42 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. There we used to draw the branches in the tree method. Here we'll write it in the division column. Same way we'll do for the second one, B1, that is 70.
to also do the multiplication.
You have to write it in the product of prime factors. Then only we'll call that one as prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
Now we will take this 78 and we will find the prime factors of 78. 78 I written here. Then with the help of a pencil and scale, draw the line properly like this with a straight. This is known as division column of prime factorization. This 78 is even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6, 1 is the remainder. So because of that, this 1 and 8 becomes the 18. 2 9s are 18. We got 2 39s are 78. 39 is the odd number. It is not divisible by 2. Next prime number is 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay, now 13 is a prime number. So it is not divisible by any number. We will take 13 only. 13 ones are 13. So now we got all the prime factors of this number 78 in this. Now we will write the final answer. That is prime factors of 78 is equals to.
Sir, 2, 3 and 13.
Yeah. 78 is equals to 2 into 3 into 13.
13.
Yeah. This way we will find the prime factors of the number. Is that clear to everyone?